So, yan, nagbabalik as new total amount. So, I think nakuha na natin yung mga ano. And once again, isasama natin pala sa ano yung date uploaded na i-call natin. Now, i-group natin siya by group by date uploaded. At the same time, I think it's better na isama natin yung product name. So, titignan natin if mag-go siya. And taran, I think it's much better compare kanina na dalawa lang yung lumabas, diba? At sinasama na natin itong CGC rice bowl. So, for the last instruction or last statement na kailangan natin gawin, determine the number of entries in the product cart table. So, itong product cart table, kailangan na lang natin malaman yung entries. Kailangan natin mag-determine through SQL. So, ilan ba yung entries na meron dito? Meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ay, 11. Umabot ng 12. Yan, 11 yan lahat. So, in order na makall natin yan, punta tayo na SQL. Lagyan natin ng count. And, as entries. Ilan bang entries yung entries? Ilan bang entries yung nandoon sa product cart natin? And then, ano pa ba? I think ito lang. So, try muna natin kung gagana siya. And July, ang lumabas sa entries natin is 11. So, ayun lang po. Overall, I think na-perform naman na lahat. And I hope na nasagutan ko ito na maayos at maayos ko itong na-explain sa inyo. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.